Hey friends, my name is Julie Marriott and I'm really excited to be leading a painting lesson in this year's workshop week. For my project, we're going to be painting on a toned piece of mixed media paper, and I really like to have a prepped, dried piece of paper to begin painting on. So I thought you might like to get a head start and go ahead and paint a piece of paper so you're ready for the lesson. I want to lead you through those steps so that you can be ready. So I have a pre-mixed color here. I have used white, phthalo green, and yellow ochre to create this kind of blue-green color. And I'm using a 2-inch just flat craft brush. And this is our piece of mixed media paper. So what I like to do is dip my brush into the water and really thin out the paint. I used heavy body acrylics to make this color, and so they're really thick, but I like to thin it out into a wash so there's a little bit of see-through texture to our background. And I'll just paint it out like this with brush strokes going every which way. And I really enjoy this way of painting my backgrounds because it really activates the piece of paper. It gets rid of all that white space. It gives a little bit of thoughtful hand texture to the background that will give us something to play off of and inform our colors of our painting when we get to painting our flower. So I'll just kind of go all the way around, get all the edges covered, and then create some sort of back and forth texture a little bit. You can get a bit more water there. And I really enjoy how the white of the paper shows through, so you kind of get some dimension and some depth already in the painting. Okay, and our paper is finished. We have a really lovely background to work on now. You can blow dry this if you'd like to speed up the drying process, or just let it sit overnight and it will be ready for you to paint on the next day. All right, I will see you for my lesson when workshop week rolls around. Bye for now.